my name is Jamal. My name's Anaya. You should already know this if you've seen our first video. Yep. Today, I'm gonna show stop massage. He's gonna try to jump over that wall. When I don't even know who lives there. I still they probably have a dog.
So, watch. Come on.
Are you sure?
That's
Do they have
no,
dogs?
go on your side. Well, you know what?
I'm going to stranger's house.
Okay. Stranger's house. This is our house. That's the stranger's house.
Cause I don't even know if they have a dog in here. Oh, shoot!
Run! Y'all hear the dog?
I would do that one more again. I don't care if I die.
Okay, this time jump all the way over and jump back over. Get all the way over.
Oh, it's in this leash.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how far the leash could go? Jamal? I'm videotaping you.
Shania, can you call me and I can see it?
No.
Oh.
Jamal?
Oh, what's a junk? Here. That was one junk, but don't record it if I get bitten by a dog. So I'll tell you.
Okay. Alright. Where did the dog go? Junky backyard. Huh. 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 Where is the dog? Yeah, I'm good. Oh, gee! Oh, shit. Ah! Oh. Dang, you got hurt bad by that dog.
Man, it was just a scratch. I'm okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm okay. Dang. But don't do this at home, kids. Or any grown-up. Because I'm a professional. I got kicked by dogs all the time. So.
Say bye.
Bye!
Oh, yeah, by the way, that's Satash. Peace.